Hi guys, this is just a quick disclaimer before you continue on with the video. In this video, I do talk about faith-related items, so if this is not your thing, you may want to click off now. Hi Doonieistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I was inspired by a member of my Facebook group, the Dooney Den, to maybe do a thread that is around journaling or planning, because if you guys have been following me, you know that journaling is another huge passion of mine. I absolutely love it, and I wanted to find a way to incorporate it in my group and also on YouTube with bags. So for me, that is as good as it gets. Bags and journaling are my happy places. So this video, I am going to be sharing with you something that I created and came up with that is inspired by this beautiful bag, which is my Dooney and Bourke Florentine leather Kingston hobo in the beautiful color of violet, and also the matching zip around wallet in violet as well. So basically what I have came up with is some journaling inserts. I have just recently discovered Chic Sparrow, which is a journaling whole collection, whole nother world out there that I just recently discovered yesterday, and I ordered a pocket-sized notebook. And I'm just so overwhelmed with all of the inserts and folders and all that other stuff that goes along with their whole little system. So I decided that it was just going to be too much to go out and search Etsy and all those other places for inserts. So I was inspired to create my own. So if you are interested in seeing what I created that is inspired by this beautiful bag, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first one that I came up with is just used from a scrapbook piece of paper, and it has some flowers and it has a little bit of glitter, and I think it is the perfect inspiration for my Violet Kingston. And then I just have just a few pages on the inside for journaling or for doodling or anything that I want to use it for. The next one is one that I made again out of a piece of scrapbook paper, and I measured it, and again I just added some blank pieces of paper to be able to journal or write or mark or anything that I want to do. So this one I actually plan to use it as a gratitude journal. So each day I will go through and I will just write in what I am grateful for, what I am thankful for. And I am so excited for this one because this is one of my very favorite things to do, is to journal in my gratitude journal. This is another one made out of scrapbook paper. And this is actually a pocket that I created. And what I did is I put washi tape on the inside of it. So all these little different sayings here is washi tape. And the folder again is made out of a piece of scrapbook paper that I measured out and put together. So I am excited about using this to store washi tape or daily inspirations, and also just anything that I would like to carry on the go. Okay, so this is my very favorite. This one is a laminated folder that I came up with, and I used regular cardstock and I did some little watercolors using distressed inks, and I have a clear sticker that says walk by faith, have hope always, and love others. And then I just have some Beloved Society girls here that I glued on, and then I laminated the folder. I plan to use this one for just, again, things that I am grateful for, things that I have given my faith to, things that I hope for, and just some things that are related to loving others. So here we are with this. And this was very, very fun to make. I love watercolors. I love these Beloved Society girls. So I, again, am so excited to use this. And again, I think it goes perfect with my violet bag. So again, here are just 4 inspirational pocket-sized notebooks that I have created to go in my pocket Chic Sparrow journal. I think all 4 of these are perfect for my violet bag. So anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Always be kind to others. Do not let these materialistic things, items, bags, cars, clothing, shoes, do not let any of those items get in the way of your happiness, cause friendships and relationships to break up, cause any type of hate or jealousy or tension or anything of that sort. It is just not worth it. My motto is always live, laugh, and love. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.